All right, here we go. 7,600 pounds, 39 feet of synthetic rope, and it's orange. Sweet. Let's get this winch out. Winch cable, go. All right, we are at the end of our rope, literally. Look at that. Let's get it out here. Kind of a weird setup. Maybe not. But it's just kind of folded in there, so I just got to unfold it out. All right, we just had to get some needle nosers in there and just kind of bend it out, and it's out. Yeah. Dude, she is out. Little tricky, but not super bad. All right, we're feeding that thing. Not stake or anything, just feeding it through. All right, this is a little different setup than I'm used to. So it wanted me to feed it through once and then feed it back another time and then do a knot. So I did a knot. Let's reel it in. All right, we got our remote and we got our winch line. Let's do this. She is in. She is in. Yeah.